Today I will tell you how to use multimeter. Two probes. Any multimeter have two probes. Okay. So if you will purchase multimeter in market, then you have two probes. So first, where you fix? Now you have multimeter, 3 ports. Okay, so first here so volt, ohm, milli, ampere. That's mean you put here red wire. Now you have this this one is so means common port. We can fix black probe. Okay, so after that this one is multimeter selector. This one is multimeter selector. So if you purchase any multimeter in market, first you check your multimeter are good condition or bad condition. In this condition, you multimeter selector set on beep range. Beep means continuity range. This one is this range. You show this multimeter selector, this continuity range. After that, you will sort the both wire. It's give beep with some value. If your multimeter give beep with value 000, give 000 with beep. That's mean multimeter in good condition. Sometime it's give 1 to 5 with beep. That's mean your multimeter also in good condition. Understand? That's mean it's also is good condition. So this one is multimeter for your testing. After that, there are many ports. So how will you decide which ports what you will check? At the condition, this one is bolt. You will show, and this one is symbol of. Have you seen properly? This one is symbol of AC. So this one is symbol of AC. In multimeter 200 to 600. 200 to 600. So if you have checked AC current, then you will fix on AC current. Okay. Now this one is your DC. 200 M, 2 volt, 20 volt, 200, 600. This one is bolt, and this one is DC bolt. So if you have need to check DC, then you will fix this port, white, all whites are DC, and this one is AC, this one is off. After that, in front of you one range also, this you will see properly. This one is ohm range. Ohm. It's starting from 200, 2K, 200K, 20K, 200K, 2M. These all are ohm range. So if you have checked any components on ohm range, you will put 200 to 2M. This all. This one is continuity range. We can say beep range, and this one is NPN, PNP. These ports will check for transistor, but it does not show properly. So I will start your class, then I will tell you how to check transistor. Now this one is last. In front of you, this one is A and this one is DC symbol, means it's ampere, DC ampere. If you have need to check DC ampere, then you will fix to that area and check DC ampere. Understand? But you have need to check DC ampere in this condition. You will fix your wire. You will fix your wire. Red wire fix on this 10 ADC port. This red wire fix on 10 ADC port. So this one is your complete multimeter, and this one is your light for if you will use in at night. Then, and this one is your hold button. This one is your hold button. If you have need to any types, that means any number you want to hold like that. This one is, if you press hold and again hold, it's understand. Thank you.